This is 3 years in the making.
That's how attorney Karen Bertram describes the case against Ronald and Melissa Wisner. It started in Issaquah with a 73-year-old man.
A gentleman by the name of Michael Flegel, who was somewhat of a hermit. He kept to himself.
Then in 2024, he died in a house fire. 6 days later, Ronald Wisner allegedly sold Flegel's car. In court documents, it states Wisner claimed they had been dear friends.
We don't know for sure how he found Mr. Flegel's name, but one way he might have would be there, because Mr. Flegel's name was published on the medical examiner's website.
Wisner gave the court paperwork that Bertram says should never have passed inspection. One of the documents was labeled Flegel's last will and testament.
The witnesses who allegedly signed the will were both dead.
Both passed away in April of 2024.
It was odd that both the witnesses were listed on the King County coroner's list the same week.
She says missing entirely, an oath Wisner was required to sign, swearing he'd never been convicted of a felony.
And Mr. Wisner at that time had already been convicted of 11 felonies, so under Washington law, he could not serve as the personal representative of an estate.
But investigators say Wisner seized control, writing checks and funneling more than $1 million through financial accounts.
They took a lot of money.
A bank investigator noticed, and so did King County Detective Robin Fry.
This detective followed the money and was able to freeze all of those accounts. Who is the victim here? To me, it's the public, because no one should be able to get away with this.